This is an update video regarding the STIC metering block. The initial stick I received, it ran pretty rich down low, and I had to use a pretty small pilot jet and also lean out the needle. I received a smaller tube stick just over a week ago, which is a 0.144 tube, and that is completely different. I'm using a 50 pilot jet and reverted back to similar jetting that I used in the standard Keihin, but with a larger main jet. I actually did the first ride last week and it ran really well, and I'm expecting similar results today on my second ride, so we'll see how that goes. How's it go?
It's different, yeah. It's much different. Yeah.
Goes, yeah?
It's got a great mid-range now.
Yeah.
I'll let you turn it out. That's much better, yeah, I like that.
It's a lot of fun.
It just widened the range.
Yeah. It revs out further as well.
It revs out further and it starts earlier as well.
Yeah. Bike's going really well. It feels really crisp and pulls well at any RPM. Lugged really well up there, just totally solid, really easy. In summary, the STIC metering block isn't cheap, but if you're looking for the next level of performance with a Keihin carburetor, it's definitely worth considering.